Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Math Matters for the second session of chapter 8. Page 98, 99, maybe 900 also. Okay, and then we are going to go for the last session, which one will be on exercise. Okay, so let's get started. The first math we are going to do on addition and subtraction of fraction from page 98, and what we are going to do, we are going to definitely practice this one first and that one first, then I am going to show you this and that. Okay, and after that few from here. Okay, so let's start from here. Especially I want to remind you one thing, which one is I am not going to follow the book one. It's not that, it doesn't mean that this one is wrong. Okay, this one is not wrong. So just following the previous step. Let's see. At first what we are going to do, white one from page A98 and white one number math, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. We have to add them. So what we are going to do, we are going to find out the denominators LCM. And you can see the both of the number are pretty different, so we cannot divide with any number. So what we are going to do, we are just going to multiply them and find out the LCM is 12. So let's write it. Putting my scale over here, otherwise the wind is actually trying to turn my page on and off, ping ping, like this. Okay, so what I cannot allow, I hope that you miss me in your classroom, making all of the fun and also the study thing, and having lots of fun together. I miss you guys. I miss you, my dear students. I cannot say you guys, right? You are my kids. So let's start, or let's finish this one first. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to just write down our numerator right over here along with multiplication sign and dividing our LCM with 4, and which one is, the question will be 3. So just putting the 3 over here. If it is plus, then plus. If it is minus, then it is minus. Now again writing down our numerator first. Try to follow that way. If you follow that way, I promise you that you will not make any mistake. Now dividing LCM 12 with denominator 3, and the answer is 4. We are multiplying 4 with our numerator. 3 ones are 3 plus 4 ones are 4. If you practice a lot, then definitely there will be no reason to get afraid of 7 by 12. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. I'm going to do more maths in the same way, so don't get worried about it. Okay, and I can see that I have another math from same white one, and I'm going to do that 1 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Both are different, having different denominators, and we are going to do what? We are going to find out the LCM of 8 and 6, and both of the number can be divided with 2. So let's do that one first. 2 and 3. Now 4 and 3 cannot be divided with any other number except 1, so we're just going to skip that part with 1. 2 into 4 into 3. Let's write that one first. Answer is 24. So what we are going to do, we are just going to write down 24 over here. Okay, and numerator, dividing our LCM 24 with 8, and answer is 3. I am going to multiply 3 with 1. If it is plus, then plus. If it is minus, then minus. Never ever forget that one. Now writing down the numerator again. Now dividing our LCM with denominator 6, and our answer would be 4. Multiplying 4 with 5. This is simple math. Okay, this is not that hard. 3 ones are 3. 4 5s are 20. And your answer will be 23 by 24. Okay, this is how easy this kind of maths are. Now I'm going to go for subtraction Let's go. These subtractions are from page, what should I say? Page 99. And they are from white one. And the first math I am going to do is 3-number math. I am going to skip 1 and 2 and leaving them for you. Okay, and I am going to do 4 maths actually from here. So what we are going to do first, we are going to find out the LCM of 3 and 5 denominators. And 3 and 5, we cannot do any division, so we are just going to multiply them. The LCM will be 15. You can see the LCM is 15. So we are going to do what? We are going to write down our 15 over here and 2 with a multiplication sign, keeping one small gap. Okay, don't get worried. 2 again with multiplication sign. Okay, what I am going, just keeping the place of for question. Now dividing 15 with 3 and we will get the result. It is 5. We are multiplying 5 with 2. And the next part is dividing LCM with denominator 5 and result will be 3. Multiplying with 2. Same denominator. Dividing with the same denominator and multiplying with the same numerator. But if you are dividing with the other denominator, you have to multiply the result with that one. Okay, you cannot go for dividing this one with dividing LCM with that first denominator and multiplying that quotient, that means 5 with here. No, you cannot. It must be remain with the same fraction. Okay, the result multiplying with the same fraction, the result multiplying with the same fraction numerator. Don't forget that one. Now it is 510 minus 6 and here is 15. Our answer is 4 by 15. See, simple. I am very sorry. I wanted to do all of the maths in the same page, so it might be look like little bit clumsy over here. Don't worry about that. Now the phone number, and we are doing LCM at first with 2, that one is 4 actually, 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 again with 2, 2 and 1. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Our LCM is 8 here. Now again writing down the same thing first, 3 multiplying small gap, 1 multiplying small gap. Okay, now for the first numerator, we are dividing our LCM with the first denominator and we will get the result 1. It will be multiplying with 3. And the second one, for multiplying with 1, we have to divide this 4 denominator with LCM and you will get 2. So 3 minus 2, 8, 1 by 8. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. Subtraction sign. Just that's it, nothing else. Practice makes someone perfect and will be perfect definitely, inshallah. Just keep practicing. Okay, now 5 number and 6 number. For 5 number, LCM, no more, we cannot go for more. 3 2s are 6 and 24, I think. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to just write down 24 over here. Now sorry, I did get a call. This is why I got little distracted. Anyway, so what we are going to do, we are just going to write down 5 multiplication sign, a gap, then minus 3 multiplication sign, a gap. Now dividing LCM 24 with first denominator, and which is 6, and we'll get what? We'll get result 4. So 4 is getting multiplying with the first numerator. Again, dividing the LCM with the second denominator, which is 8, and that one you will get the answer 3, and 3 is multiplying with the second numerator. Here 20, 4 5s are 20, and 9 24, and there we will get 11 by 24. Answer. Math is finished. Now the last one, not the least one, 10 and 15. We cannot divide 10 and 15 with 2. We cannot divide with 3. We cannot divide with, yes, we can divide with 5. So 2 and 3. Now LCM is 30. Multiplying all the numbers and we'll get 30. As I am not having that much space over here, I have done little bit stupid thing over here. I'm very sorry for that. Writing down our LCM, 7 multiplication gap, 4 multiplication gap. Okay, now dividing our LCM with the first denominator, answer is 3, and 3 is getting multiplying with the first numerator. Again, dividing the LCM with the second denominator, which is 15, and answer is 2. It is getting multiplied with the second numerator. I am going to take a break because the azan is going on. Let me finish this one. Okay, I'm back. I hope that you remember doing the this one and this one. Now I'm going to show you the green one. Okay, there's a story, some small one. They say that in container A has 1 by 2 liters of water. That means half liter. 1 by 2 means half liter of water, and container B is having 1 by 3 liter of water. Okay, how many liters of water in all? Okay, in both of them, in total, how many liter water we can get? So what we are going to do, we are just going to do the addition. Let me show you how to do that one. Okay, over here you can see that here I have given the information. You can say given that also. I have written the container 1 A has 1 by 2 or half liter of water, and container B has 1 by 3 1/3 liter of water. Okay, so in total amount of water will be, we are supposed to add them, and you can see if we are adding them, we are supposed to find out LCM of 2 and 3. I have write down the LCM of 2 and 3 over here. I'm guessing that I cannot divide them, so I'm just going to write down LCM is 2 into 3. Oopsie, I write down 3 into 2. It's okay, totally fine, no problem. LCM will be same, 6. Now 1 multiplying gap plus 1 multiplying gap. Okay, dividing 6 with the first denominator, and answer will be 3. So 3 will be multiplying with the first numerator. Again, dividing the LCM with the second denominator 3, and answer is 2, which will be multiplying with the second denominator. First one goes with first one, and second one will goes with second one. Never ever forget that one, and also never ever forget your units. Please never ever forget that part. And you can see it is 5 by 6 liters of water. So what we'll say? We'll say, so again the fan. Skill, the savior of the day. So what we're going to say? 5 by 6 liter of water in all. Exactly the last line of the question, and this is how you are going to write down answer. If you write down so line, you don't have to write down the another thing, you just write down this answer and give the bracket over here. That's it, nothing else. Okay, you don't have to write down again and again and again. We don't want it. Okay, if you are writing the sole line, just write it the answer like this. Okay, and you can also write down just total equal that and that addition part. You can skip that line, amount of water. You can just write down the total, or if they are asking for the difference, the just difference also. Okay, just optional. These three letters, these three words are optional. Don't get worried about it. Now the next one, they say that what you have 1/3 liter of milk and you have taken 1/4 liter. How many liter remain? Okay, this much you had and this much you have taken out. How much is remaining? So let's see how to do that one. You can see that I have already written, given that milk had 3/2 liter, milk taken 1/4 liter. So we need to subtract, you need to remove that taken part from the total part. So milk remain, I have written down over here, and this addition, subtraction, sorry, it's not addition, we are taking out, that means it's actually subtraction. Okay, again 3/4 LCM we cannot go, so LCM equal to 3 into 4, 12. Just writing down the line 12 over here, and the first numerator 2 multiplication sign gap minus 1 multiplication sign gap. Okay, now what we are going to do, dividing our LCM with the first denominator, which is 3, and answer will be 4, which we are going to multiplying with the first numerator, and again dividing the LCM with the second denominator, which is 4, and the answer 3 will get multiplying with the second numerator. Never forget to write down the unit. Okay, unit is pretty important thing. If you forget it writing, then there will be a disaster on your math. Okay, I have finished that part. I missed that line, and also dot, short form. If you are writing short form, don't forget to put the dot over here. Okay, now so 5/12 liter of milk remain. Okay, this is your answer. If you are writing so line, just write it answer like this. That's it. Okay, and now we are going to go for page 100. In page 100, what they are actually asking us to reduce the fraction in its lowest term. Okay, after finding out the answer, we have to find out the lowest term. That's it. Whenever you are doing this kind of math, addition and subtraction, if you can reduce them in the lowest term, definitely do it by yourself. Don't even think like Miss will cut my mark or something like this. No, if you can reduce it, you should reduce it. Okay, and all of the maths is exactly like same, and this 3 fraction calculation I am going to show you an exercise this here, this one. Okay, so I am just going to skip that part. Maybe I will do that one because in your this part I don't have this kind of math. Okay, so I am just going to do a little bit from here. Okay, I'm just going to do 2 math from here just to show you from page 100. First one was from Y2. Phone number math. Let me write the question first. Okay, I have written down the question, and now I'm going to find out the LCM of 15 and 12. Doesn't matter it is addition or subtraction, we definitely, the first work we are going to do is finding out the LCM, and this both of the number cannot be divided with 2, so we are going to go for 3. Yes, with 3 we can divide. There will be 5 and 4, and now 5 and 4 cannot be divided, so we are just going to write down LCM equal to all of the number. 60. Okay, now we are writing our LCM in the middle. The first denominator first numerator multiplication sign gap, second numerator multiplication sign and gap. So what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to divide 60 with 15. Okay, the first denominator and we'll get 4, and we are going to multiply that 4 with the first numerator, which is 4 itself. Now we are going to divide our 60 with the second denominator, which one is 12, and we are going to get result 5, and we are going to multiply that 5 with the second numerator. Now 4 4s are 16 plus 5. I think I should need a little bit space, but I made a mistake over here. I actually made a mistake over here. I should keep a little bit space for that. Now the reducing part, and what we are going to do, we cannot divide 21 and 60 with 2. 21 cannot be, but 60 can be, but we will not go for, you know that we have to choose the number with which we can divide both of them. So I'm going to choose number 3. So 3, if you divide with 3, then your answer will be 7 over here. If you divide with 360, then your answer will be 20. So answer is 7 by 20. Okay, this is how you are going to do. This is your answer. Reducing, it called reducing to the lowest fraction. Okay, the next number 15 and 20, not with 2, not with 3, is with 5. 3 and 4, both of them we cannot, so I'm just going to write down our LCM. So our this one will be 3 multiplies 5 multiplies 15 and 4, it makes again 60. Over here, 13 multiplication minus 9 multiplication gap. Now what we are going to do, divide the LCM with 15, we'll get 4 as the answer, and multiplying 4 with the first numerator, and then dividing the LCM with the 20 for second denominator, and the answer will be 3, which one we are going to multiplying with the second numerator. So just writing down the answer over here. I'm skipping a little bit, small part, so don't get worried. You have to do the multiplication on your rough side. I'm not doing it. I'm just going to skip a little bit. Now both of the number, which is 25 and 60, we cannot divide with 2. We cannot divide with 3. We have to go for 5. So I'm dividing with 5, which is 5. And if I divide this one with a 5, I'll get 12. So 5 by 12. This is your answer. This is how you are going to reduce it. The reducing part already you have learned. I hope you are practicing. And this one is a addition and subtraction. You just have to practice them, that's it. And please try to keep a little bit space. I made a mistake over here. I should given long space. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so this is all for today, and I'm going to give the exercise after this session, and that would be the last of them. Don't forget, I'm going to include 4-1 2 number math in the page 101. Okay, take care, goodbye.